What's up, everyone? This is Dagun. I'm the GradQuant lead consultant.
My name is Jason, and I'm the coordinator for GradQuant.
So we are here to make this video, show you guys how to get GradQuant office.
Yeah, because a lot of students are saying they don't know how to find our office, and it is kind of hidden. So hopefully this video will help you get there. So we're starting off at the bell tower. We're on the east side of the bell tower. You can see the bell tower here. And we're now facing kind of towards this lawn area, and Riviera is going to be here on our right-hand side over this way. So just go ahead and walk down this way towards away from the bell tower, and you'll see kind of the hub in this direction over there. And as we go forward, you got to make sure you get to Life Sciences Lecture Hall. We'll show you that in just a second. Well, here we are now walking away from the bell tower towards Life Sciences 1500. You will see the science labs here on your left, and then you will see Life Sciences Lecture Hall 1500 right here. All right, so now we're in front of Life Sciences 1500, and you'll see that. So you want to go in through this little corridor here, and you'll see that it's an entrance to Speed Hall right here. And you're going to come to the end right here and make a left. And once you turn left, you will see a little entryway. You're gonna go in. You want to go to the right over here. All right. And these are the double doors that you will enter into GradQuant. This is where we are, 1425 Life Sciences. All right, so this is the front door of Riviera Library, and we are going to go in this direction to the left to show you how to get to GradQuant. All right. So you're going to go down this area here. Make a left over towards the science buildings. Then on your left here is Life Sciences, and on this door you will see a sign that says GradQuant. Okay, then go ahead on in. Now you're going to take the stairs on the left and go down. Head left down the hallway.